I'm an Aries, and yes, I'm a firecracker, so don't get too close, because you might get popped. I'm an Aries, and no, I'm not aggressive. I always keep my cool until you disrespect me, because I don't play that. I'm an Aries, and when I love hard. It's not my fault. I be so passionate. I'm an Aries, and yes, I may ask your opinion, but I'm gonna still do what I want to do. Like, I'm just asking your opinion. I don't gotta do what you said. You ain't God. I don't gotta listen to you. I'm an Aries, and no, I ain't got no patience. So give it to me now. It's mine, and I want it now. What you waiting for? I'm an Aries, and yes, sometimes I get bored. If you're gonna be here, you better entertain me. Can't keep my attention for too long. I'm an Aries, and no, I never want no problems with